The keyboard began as a bridge between the typist and the typewriter, born in the 19th century machine age. Christopher Latham Scholes and collaborators designed the QWERTY layout to reduce jammed keys, drawing on practical trial and printerly experience. Despite rival layouts, QWERTY prevailed and later evolved into computer keyboards, wireless devices, and touchscreens. Scholes had a print and publishing background that shaped his approach to usability and durability. Today, the humble keys carry decades of engineering, ergonomics, and global standardization that keep us typing with familiar rhythm.